You good?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, my friend. I'm sorry.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Science with MKG. Today we'll be learning about the phases of mitosis. The first phase of mitosis is called interphase. This is when the cell carries out the functions it needs to survive. It is also the longest phase of the cell. Then, all of a sudden, the cell begins to get ready to replicate. The second phase of mitosis is prophase. This is when the DNA coils up to create chromosomes. Then, the spindle fibers also appear and connect to the centrioles. The third phase is metaphase. The spindle fibers begin to tug the chromosomes and line them up in the middle of the cell. The fourth phase is anaphase. The anaphase is when spindle fibers begin to contract and shorten, pulling the chromosomes apart into equal halves. The fifth phase is called telophase. There are two sets of complete chromosomes on each side of the cell. The spindle fibers and centrioles disappear. We end up with one cell that has two nuclei ready to divide into two separate cells. And in the end, cytokinesis, two separate cells with the same DNA. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to Science with MKG. Today we'll be reviewing the phases of meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division in sexually reproducing organisms that reduces the number of chromosomes of the parent cell by half. Let's explore the phases of meiosis together. The first phase is called interphase. It is the exact same as in mitosis, where cells grow and the DNA and organelles are duplicated. Prophase 1 is the second phase, where crossing over takes place within the chromosomes. Chromosomes trade little bits of DNA. This creates unique chromosomes. Metaphase 1 is the third phase of meiosis, and the unique chromosomes get lined up along the middle of the cell with the help of spindle fibers. Anaphase 1 is the fourth phase of meiosis, where the unique chromosomes are pulled apart to different sides of the cell. Telophase 1 is the fifth phase, where two distinct nuclei appear in one cell, and then the cell divides into two cells with unique DNA. Prophase 2 is the sixth phase of meiosis. In this phase, the DNA coils into chromosomes and the nucleus disappears in both cells. Metaphase 2 is the seventh phase of meiosis. This is where the chromosomes are lined up in the middle with the help from spindle fibers in both cells. Anaphase 2 is the eighth phase, and the chromosomes are pulled apart into halves and then pulled to different sides of the cell in both cells. Telophase 2 is the ninth phase. Two nuclei form and the cells split again, creating four gamete cells, each containing half the amount of chromosomes than the original parent cell. Quick review here. Meiosis is a type of cell division in sexually reproducing organisms that reduces the number of chromosomes of the parent cell by half. Thank you for watching Science with MKG. I hope you learned a bit about meiosis.